Good morning, guys. It's Rita. My channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee, and I have a very budget-friendly, simple DIY for you today. It is Easter related. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. For today's DIY, I'll be using 2 pots from Dollar Tree, some of the floral moss in the brown color. I'll also be using a small piece of floral foam. I'll cut that in half. I'm using some of the Easter egg picks, and these were the 10-pack. I'm also using some China Blue acrylic paint, as well as some Waverly chalk paint in the color of sage, I believe it is. My hot glue gun, and we'll begin the project. I started out, I've used a little bit of water on my sponge to dampen it before I put it in the paint, just to thin the paint out a little bit. I did start out by randomly swiping the paint on, but I wasn't pleased with the way it turned out, so I did go back and give it full coverage. And now I'll begin on my second pot. Now I'll go back and give both pots a second coat. I'll be cutting the floral foam in half, placing one piece in each pot, and then placing some moss in. Now I'll take the picks, and I'm going to use some antique wax just to give the wood part of the pick some color. So here's how the pots look right now, and I'll begin adding the picks. Now I'll take the twine from Dollar Tree and place a little hot glue on the pot, and I'll just wrap it around the pot several times. I'll complete this for each pot. small piece of twine and tie in a little bow, and I'll hot glue that on the front of each pot. I hope you've enjoyed this. I did end up adding some flowers at the end, and I hope you did like the DIY today. Please remember to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up if you like the video, and hit that notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos.